Need extra fridge space? Check this out. Looking for a compact fridge that fits your lifestyle? Let's explore this mini fridge. This is the Upstreman 3.2 Cu.Ft Mini Fridge with freezer. It's perfect for small families, singles, dorms, or offices. It features an adjustable thermostat, a crisper drawer, and removable shelves. The reversible door adds to its versatility. It measures 18.7, 17.4, 33.1 WDH with a 3.2 Cu.Ft capacity. It's compact enough to fit in tight spaces. This mini fridge is energy efficient, costing as low as 0.5 kWh per day. It also operates quietly at just 38 dB. Check it out on Amazon. Find the Upstreman Mini Fridge using the provided link. Ready to upgrade your space with this compact and efficient mini fridge? Click the link to visit the Amazon product page. Explore the different color options, read customer reviews, and make your purchase today. Don't miss out on this perfect solution for your refrigeration needs.